Okay, folks, today the unthinkable. Don't ever try this with a nice gas grill. But I told you, the other old grill wanted to hang in there, and I am going to put some nice wood, and I'm going to semi-smoke and semi-grill some swordfish. So let's get this stuff going. I'm almost tempted to moisten up that wood a little bit, but hey, we're gonna check it out. Like I said, folks, don't ruin a grill, because you're gonna have to just clean it all out. But to me, it's not important. This is what you call smoking on a small grill. Swordfish. Ingredients: salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning, lemon, and of course, smoke. All right, let's see what happens. So in other words, folks, I'm using gas and wood on an old grill. Yeah, so obviously the gas is still hooked up. And I wanted to get apple wood, but I said, you know what, let me just check out some nice oak. And when I put the other seasonings on, and of course, lemon, very, very important. Okay, check this out. Not covered, not open, half and half. Perhaps that might help the situation. And anyways, so what I'm doing is I fired up the gas with the wood, and then once I get it started, I shut the gas down, I turn it on, check, see if the wood's ignited, and then I shut it down, and then it's gonna smoke. And what I did is I put it on the bottom so it's not clogging up the stuff. Of course, you can always soak it in water or beer or whatever you feel like soaking it in, the wood. Me, I'm just gonna give it a trial run right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait till this stuff gets amber and then start smoking. I'm gonna shut the gas completely off. I'm gonna season the swordfish. Very nice. Actually picked this swordfish up from Walmart. I got it from Walmart today. I didn't catch it, no. All right, so I'm actually working on another video, but I had a little failure on the last adventure, so I accumulated some clips and stuff like that, so the next one is gonna definitely be the catch. All right, I'll be back. Okay, folks, so here's what I did. Gas is completely off. The swordfish on the side, indirect heating. The smoke is starting to happen. I'm going to cover it back up. Got it seasoned. Black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. We're going to squirt a little lemon at the very end. Might even do it a little bit when I flip it. And we'll see what happens. Let's get some smoke in here, though. That's the most important thing. Yeah, apple wood would have definitely been the wood of choice, or another wood that is not oak. But hey, you know what? I'm just experimenting with the old grill that wants to hang in there, and I bet you this is going to taste really good. How's this for an idea, folks? Indirect heating on the swordfish, strictly the smoke of the wood, and the rest of the lemon on the side. See if it adds another flavor. Experimenting. Everybody talking, hey, what's going on the grill over here? All right. How you doing? How you doing? You want to be on my YouTube video? What's your name? Tootsie. You don't mind being on my YouTube video? Tootsie, she loves her fashion and she loves to eat. But she ain't gaining no weight. Look at that, huh? Wow, I'm chewing too much. Flaky, delicious. Beautiful thing. Until next time.